If you're planning a trip to Las Vegas and you're visiting the city for the first time, here are 7 things you need to know before you go. This is LexGo. Welcome to LexGo, where I share all my travel learnings so planning your trip is so much easier for you. If you're new to LexGo, consider subscribing. Las Vegas can be overwhelming with attractions and entertainment on every corner. It's easy to feel lost in this dazzling city. That's why planning is essential, and these are my 7 tips to help you plan your trip. Number 1. Get ready to walk. Hotels might seem close to each other, but each property is so big that it takes some effort to walk from one place to another. Remember, you're in a desert. Wear comfortable shoes and have water and sunscreen on hand. Summers can get extremely hot, but the hotels remain cool and sometimes chilly inside. Because of that, a light jacket will be useful any time of the year. Number 2. Going around is convenient. There's monorail to help you go around the strip. Renting a car is also a good option. It's inexpensive and there's free parking in many hotels and shopping centers. Tip number 3 is never pay regular price on a show. There's always a way to get a discount on show tickets. You can sign up for free hotel membership, or you can search online for tickets on sale. Number 4. Sign up for players clubs, because it will get you freebies and discounts on restaurants, attractions, and shows. If you like to play in the casino, it could even get you a free return trip to Vegas. Don't buy drinks at the casino. If you're going to play slots or table games, a waiter will approach you for a free cocktail in an effort to keep you playing. It might take some time, but that will save you money. If you find these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And here's the next tip. The people in costumes everywhere expect to be paid every time you take a photo with them. So, negotiate and be clear with your price if you want to engage them. Most tourists will be staying at the Strip, that popular 4-mile cluster of hotels and attractions. It might be tempting to spend all your days in there, but you must go out of the Strip to have a complete Vegas experience. Check out the Fremont Street, the classic downtown Vegas as you would have seen in old Hollywood films. Or take a day trip to Hoover Dam or the Valley of Fire for a fresh breath of air away from the city. Explore Vegas with an open mind and you're sure to have a trip you won't forget. Wishing you all the best in your trip. Don't forget to subscribe to LexGo.